Laminating and bubble remove 2-in-1 machine, built-in air compressor and vacuum pump. It can complete laminating and bubble remove at the same time. 100% no bubbles. Operation step. Set laminating time to 25 seconds. Set bubble remove time 5 minutes. Adjust pressure regulator valve to 0.5 MPa. Turn the switch button to automatic position. Clean the screen on locked mode. Take off the OCA protective film. First, use glue sticker. Use one finger, click the middle screen. Put it on laminating area in order. Just remember, for every screen you must use one finger pointer. Point the middle screen, okay? Then tighten the screws. Press the start button. Vacuum air removed start. Tighten the screws again, make sure there were no air leaking. It will start bubble remove automatically after 25 seconds. Machine will exhaust automatically after 5 minutes also. Now we just need waiting 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, loosen the screws. Open the cover. Then check the screens. See? No bubbles at all. It just looks like perfect.